Welcome to More Geeks Production! Again mga kabaro, today we are going to tell you what are the things you need to do before you embark on a vessel, during on board, and after you disembark your vessel. So the following are to be examined.
You see in our screen, these are the following requirements or the things that you need to remember before going on board. First is that you need to bring your seaman's book. Second is the passport. Third are the visa or the visas. Fourth, there's the medical certificate. Fifth is the certificate of competency. Sixth is the certificate of employment and other stuffs that you need to remember or you need to bring before going on board.
What's up mga kabaro? Our second topic will be everything you must know during onboard vessel. Life at sea is not easy and relaxing as expected to be. Living out there for the rest of your contract will be a new life adventure. So there are some steps that you must do during onboard vessel. First thing to do, you must hand over your important documents and supporting documents to the responsible officer that may handle your documents. It may be the captain or the third officer. Second thing to do is that you must be conducted with a familiarization because taking in consideration that you are still a newbie on board the vessel. Third thing you must do as a cadets, bear in mind that to remember the maritime code, safety first. In such belief, we may able to maintain the safety of the environment, safety of the cargo, and the safety of life at sea. And the last thing that you must be remembered is to know your purpose and limitation. Why? Because as a cadets, you must able to learn and gain experience as soon as possible. And as a cadets, limit your responsibility because you're not be involved in some special jobs with a high risk. In every step of the way, take actions very seriously and think wisely.
What's up again mga kabaro? First, let me congratulate you for a job well done in completing 1 year sea service on the vessel. Next, I am here to tell you what to do after you disembark the vessel. First, go to your officers and thank them for they have shared the knowledge that prior to your career. Next is go to your captain and collect all the documents that you have passed on the first day of your embarkation. And do not forget to check all those documents that they are still complete and intact. Lastly, you must report to the office as early as possible to pass and return to them the documents that you still have in your hands. And in some cases, you may or may not pass these documents to the office when you give the reason, such as a validity for other activities you do in the Philippines. Now, thank you for watching this video.